Hello guys, welcome to Geospatial Pro. In this video, you are going to learn how to create your Hillshade map of your study area. Before you create your Hillshade map, you need to understand what the Hillshade is all about. So the most important thing now is, if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and like this video. So to understand your Hillshade map is to know that Hillshade map is a terrain visualization technique that create 3D shaped relieved appearance or from your digital elevation model. It simply stimulates how the sun illuminates, that is lighting up the terrain surface from a specific direction. So for a clearer understanding, it's just like you imagine that the sun is shining across a mountain. If you understand that a mountain, you'll be able to know that there are some places that is going to receive the sunlight directly, while some will fall as in terms of like shadow. So this is what the Hillshade is all about. It influences in terms of agricultural study, in terms of environmental study, in terms of groundwater study, where it's understand in some cases that it will evaluate the sun heat of the earth surface from one region to another. So to carry out or to create your Hillshade, the next thing you have to do is to go to your QGIS. Then once you go to your QGIS, make sure you have your digital elevation model. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe and watch others our video. We have been continuing this series in terms of where you have your how to download your digital elevation model of 12.5 resolution. Many studies have been using 30-meter resolution, but in this case, this is a 12.5 meter resolution, which provide a clearer and detailed surface study. In this case now, we are going to learn how to create your Hillshade. We have done several other maps, which we have elevation map, which you have your slope or aspect map. This is your aspect map, and we also have your slope map. So in this case, we are going to create your Hillshade map. So as I've said, you need to have your digital elevation model correctly projected as you have here. So the next thing you have to do is to go to your raster and go to analysis and locate your Hillshade. So in this case now, you are going to select the appropriate digital elevation model, which you are going to have this as band 1. You can leave this way. Then make sure you have this as 1. You can also have this as 1. You can have this. It's very important you have this as 315. That's 315. Then we can also have this as 45. So the next thing you have to do is just to scroll down and save your file. You can save it as your Hillshade map. Hillshade map. So you can click on save, and the next thing you have to do is to run this. So you can click on OK. So once you are run this is going to generate your Hillshade. You can right click and go to properties and go to symbology and select the single band pseudo color, and you can leave it as band 1. Then you can change this to Lilian, or you can change it to discrete. So we have this. Then we can change it to, we can have this as equal. Then we can have this. You can see we have different value to hit. So you can scroll down, or you can leave this as 5 classes. That's it. If you want to increase or decrease this, you can leave this as, and you can click on apply. You can click on apply and click on OK. As you can see, I made a mistake, or you can leave this in terms of the color at which you prefer. In some cases, you can make it, or in a proper way, you can make it a gray color. You can select a gray range color. So we can have this as, then you can this and click on OK. In a general case study where you have, it is properly used to, or properly okay to use a gray range color, it is recommended. Then you can scroll down to see the value, or you can further more and design your map in a preference way. So this is how you create your Hillshade maps of your study area. So you can watch others our videos on how to map up or click your study area within your shapefile. You can learn how to download your digital elevation model and other aspects of terrain analysis. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and like this video, and thank you for watching.